Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create a mailing list in Gmail. Friends, if you frequently send emails to same email again and again, then you can very easily create a mailing list in Gmail. So to create a mailing list, you simply need to open your Gmail account in web browser. Now after opening your Gmail account, you simply need to click on the app section. Here you need to select contacts. Now in contacts, click on other contacts. Now if any email address is not in your contact list, then you simply need to first create a contact. After saving all the email addresses in your contacts, you simply need to select the email addresses to make email list. Select the checkbox. I have selected 7 email addresses. You can select any number of email addresses to make a list. Now to make a email sending list, you need to click on manage labels. Here you need to create a label. Now give a label name. I am giving it name email list 1, and after giving the label name, click on save. Now we have created our email list. Now we simply need to open our Gmail account and click on compose, and in to section we simply need to enter the list name. Like in our case, we have given name email list 1. Here it is showing email list 1 7 members. Select it. Now automatically it will enter all the email addresses in that list. Like this, you don't need to type each email address again and again. You simply need to type the list name and all emails will automatically appears in the to section. Like this, you can very easily create a mailing list in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.